During body recomposition, your muscles undergo cellular adaptations that reshape muscle structure and burn fat simultaneously. As you engage in resistance training, your immune system responds by sending inflammatory cells to the affected areas. This beneficial inflammatory response activates the body's natural healing and repair processes. As the inflammation subsides, the body begins repairing and reinforcing the muscle fibers. During this repair process, your body doesn't just restore the muscle to its previous state. Instead, it adapts by making the muscle fibers slightly larger and stronger. This adaptation is your body's way of preparing for future stress, ensuring that it's better equipped to handle similar challenges in the future. At the same time, maintaining a mild calorie deficit ensures the body consumes slightly fewer calories than it burns. In response, the body turns to its fat stores for energy. This process, known as fat mobilization, is driven by hormones such as epinephrine and norepinephrine, which signal fat cells to break down stored triglycerides into free fatty acids and glycerol, a process called lipolysis. The free fatty acids enter the bloodstream, where they are transported to muscles and other tissues to be used as fuel, marking the beginning of the fat-burning phase of body recomposition. The essence of body recomposition lies in the delicate balance between muscle growth and fat breakdown. This remarkable adaptability allows the body to build lean muscle while simultaneously using stored fat for energy. As muscles recover from resistance training, the body undergoes protein synthesis, the process of creating new proteins, the fundamental components of muscle tissue. Protein synthesis is triggered by both exercise-induced mechanical stress and dietary protein intake. When consumed, protein is broken down into amino acids, which the body uses to build and repair muscle fibers. The rate of muscle protein synthesis remains elevated for up to 48 hours post-workout, making consistent protein intake throughout the day essential, not just immediately after training. This sustained process helps maximize muscle growth and optimize body recomposition over time. While your body is actively building muscle, it is also breaking down fat to fuel its energy needs. This process, known as fat oxidation, takes place within the mitochondria, the energy-producing centers of your cells. During lipolysis, free fatty acids are released into the bloodstream and transported to the mitochondria, where they undergo a series of chemical reactions. These reactions break down fatty acids into smaller molecules, ultimately generating adenosine triphosphate, the primary energy source for cellular function. This simultaneous process of muscle building and fat burning is what makes body recomposition unique. Instead of simply losing weight, which could include muscle loss, or gaining weight, which could include fat gain, body recomposition reshapes your physique by increasing muscle mass while reducing fat mass. As weeks pass, you'll start noticing visible differences in your body due to the ongoing muscle building and fat loss processes. One of the first changes you'll experience is how your clothes fit. Your waistline may shrink while your chest, shoulders, and thighs become more defined. Even if the scale remains relatively stable, these changes are clear indicators of an improving body composition. As your muscles adapt and grow, you'll feel noticeably stronger and more resilient. You may find yourself lifting heavier weights, performing more repetitions, or completing workouts with greater ease, clear evidence of muscle development and improved physical performance. Over time, areas of your body that once appeared soft or rounded will become leaner and more defined. This transformation results from the dual effect of fat loss and muscle gain, creating a sculpted and toned appearance. As you build muscle, your basal metabolic rate naturally increases. Since muscle tissue is more metabolically active than fat, it burns more calories even when you're at rest. This higher BMR supports ongoing fat loss and helps maintain your improved body composition over time. Continuous improvement requires challenging your muscles consistently. This principle, known as progressive overload, involves gradually increasing weight, repetitions, or training frequency in your strength workouts. As you push your muscles beyond their previous limits, they adapt and grow stronger. This continuous cycle of stress and adaptation drives long-term improvements in body composition. Beneath the surface, a complex network of hormones is actively facilitating the transformation of your body. Resistance training triggers the release of testosterone and growth hormone, both of which are essential for muscle growth and fat reduction. Testosterone enhances muscle protein synthesis, supports fat loss, and improves overall energy levels. Though commonly associated with men, it plays a crucial role in both men and women for body recomposition. Growth hormone promotes cell regeneration, muscle development, and fat breakdown, making it a key player in reshaping your physique. Insulin is central to nutrient partitioning, determining whether nutrients are used for energy, muscle building, or fat storage. When managed effectively, insulin helps direct nutrients toward muscle growth rather than fat accumulation. Meanwhile, IGF-1, which is stimulated by growth hormone, further enhances muscle growth and regulates body composition, ensuring a more efficient transformation process. Cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone, can hinder muscle growth and encourage fat storage, particularly around the midsection. However, maintaining proper nutrition, sufficient sleep, and effective stress management can help regulate cortisol levels, allowing your body to prioritize muscle development and fat loss. At a microscopic level, your mitochondria, the energy producers within your cells, undergo significant changes to support body recomposition. Engaging in regular exercise, especially high-intensity workouts, stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis, the process of generating new mitochondria in muscle cells. This enhances your body's ability to produce and utilize energy more efficiently. Not only does exercise increase the number of mitochondria, but it also enhances their efficiency. This means your body becomes more adept at using fat as a fuel source, further accelerating fat loss. While building muscle and burning fat are key components of body recomposition, recovery is equally essential to ensure consistent progress. During sleep, your body elevates growth hormone and testosterone levels, both of which are vital for muscle repair and fat loss. Quality rest also helps maintain cortisol and insulin balance, preventing hormonal disruptions that could impede progress. Muscle protein synthesis remains elevated for up to 48 hours following resistance training. This is why rest days are crucial. They provide your body the necessary time to repair, strengthen, and grow without excessive strain. Proper nutrition is the foundation of body recomposition, supplying the essential nutrients needed to build muscle while simultaneously supporting fat loss. Sufficient protein intake is vital for muscle repair and development. Your body breaks down protein into amino acids, which serve as the fundamental components for new muscle formation. Consuming carbohydrates strategically, particularly before and after workouts, helps fuel training sessions and support muscle growth without disrupting fat loss efforts. Dietary fats are essential for hormone production and nutrient absorption. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet promotes overall well-being and facilitates the body recomposition process. As these physiological processes take effect, your body composition shifts dramatically: more muscle, less fat, and a leaner, more sculpted physique. However, this isn't just a final destination. It's a new, sustainable state that you'll continue to refine over time. Your metabolism has adapted, your hormones are optimized, and your body functions more efficiently at every level. You haven't just become a smaller version of your past self. You've evolved into a stronger, healthier, and more resilient individual. This transformation is a testament to the remarkable adaptability of the human body. Through consistent training, mindful nutrition, and proper recovery, you've restructured your body at the molecular, cellular, and systemic levels. Body recomposition is not a quick fix. It's a lifelong journey of continuous improvement, where your strength, endurance, and overall health continue to thrive.